Xming Episode One Mini Projector Review. Big Screen Magic in Compact Package. This projector is unique for its Google TV and native Netflix features, which make streaming easy and seamless without any additional devices. The best TVs under $500 can't hit the Episode One's 120-inch maximum size, nor are they readily portable. Formovi's new Xming Episode One projector is $299 worth of compact cuteness. It weighs 2.8 pounds and measures 6.9 by 4.8 by 5.6 inches. Makes it great for backyard movie nights. Full package entertainment. With the latest certified Google TV and Netflix on board, the Xming Episode One offers unlimited content from a multitude of platforms, anytime. Ultra clarity and HD visuals, anywhere, anytime. 1080p native resolution. Exceptional visuals made available for the same price. You can settle for a 720p or 540p resolution projector, or you can get the Xming Episode One with 1080p native resolution. The benefits of a fully enclosed light engine. The light engine is crucial for picture quality. Xming Episode One features a unique fully enclosed light engine for top-tier visuals and improved viewing experience. We've eliminated the three major issues that come with semi-enclosed light engines. Say goodbye to light leaks, dust spots, screen burn, and disruptive cooling mechanisms. Contrast equals clarity. Experience sharp details, color accuracy, and more clarity between light and dark colors with the ultimate contrast levels. 1500 to 1 contrast ratio, NTSC 38% color gamut, a cinematic 120-inch display. Adjust the screen size to fit your content and enjoy a 40-inch intimate display or a fully immersive 120-inch home theater. Recommended picture size 60-100, immersive yet confined. From the bedroom to the living room, the Xming Episode One's 1:1 throw ratio delivers up to 120 inches of big screen entertainment from only 3 m away, or 50 inches from a more intimate distance of 3 m. Smart features. Dolby Excellence, a perfect pairing, auto configuration, plug and play entertainment. Enjoy a next-level experience with easy fit and easy view technology that makes operating your projector simpler. Dolby-certified audio for cinematic home entertainment. Enjoy powerful sound at home with 2x3W speakers and Dolby audio for sound clarity and bass levels, just like at the movies. Fluid user interface. Storing and accessing large apps is a breeze for the Xming Episode One, which boasts 2 GB RAM and a 16 GB storage capacity. HDMI 2.1 minimal lag. 2 GB plus 16 GB sufficient storage. High-performance projector chip. Efficient and compact. Enjoy industry-leading smart features and portability on the Xming Episode One for a fraction of the cost of similar projectors.